First tech IPO of the year happened this week with private equity-backed Sailpoint returning to the public markets. Optimism now building that more offerings will soon be on the way. For more insight, let's welcome in Santosh. He's Manhattan Ventures Head of Research. Good to see you. Welcome.
Great to see you. Thanks for having me.
You look at Sailpoint, and you said what?
That's a good sign. I mean, we need the narrative to change, to start. We need the IPO talk to pick up. So I think this is a good sign. Yes, it was a PE-backed company. It's not a typical VC-backed company, but that's fine. IPO is an IPO. It brings out the risk capital out there, and that's good. So we need the risk-on sentiment. There's a lot of pent-up demand out there, and we are seeing shape. We saw that with the earlier IPOs as well. So I think things are picking up slowly. But I think 2025 is setting up well. The macro setup is well, and there is a supply, tremendous supply, and we'll see. I mean, it'll pick up. I think it's going to be more towards the second half as the dust settles here and we see all these cross currents kind of take some shape. We'll see. I think so. Net, I would say it's a good setup for IPOs in 2025.
I mean, we've talked a lot about business confidence and the uncertainty that some policy unknowns out of D.C. are causing. Does that have a direct impact on IPOs too?
Yeah, to the extent that it affects the sentiment, and we don't want any upsets. We want people to come in, not worry about any unexpected events out there. So to some extent it does, but I don't think it's a one-to-one relation there. IPOs are a different breed; their variables are different. They don't get affected by tariffs, let's say directly, and so things like that. So I wouldn't say that much, but in terms of the overall sentiment and the way the broader market views it, I think that's important. It has an effect from that side. We don't want that to derail the economy, not to slow down everything. Things are picking up. The GDP is good. Earnings expectations are good for next year, about 13% year-over-year growth. So earnings are coming out good. Companies are reporting good numbers. They have downsized. They have automated. Their operating margins have gone up. So all that will flow into, that sentiment will flow into the IPOs coming out. And one more point, the IPOs that have come out, they're doing well. So I think overall, the median increase of the last few IPOs, that sample of IPOs that I looked at, it's up close to 50% in terms of since the IPO price. So there is a lot of sentiment, there is a lot of demand, and you will see that people will get confidence as the companies come out.
How has the DeepSeek news impacted your world in terms of venture funding, both towards the size of the businesses and the kind of dollars we're talking about? I mean, if anything, this got people thinking that you can do more with less. So Absolutely. How does that impact your world?
Well, I think it's going to be constructive overall. It's going to be great for developers. You're going to see a lot more applications come to market, very innovative applications at a reasonable cost. So I think that's a big gating factor that was there in terms of the cost factor. I think that's going to help out. So you're going to see a number of applications. It's going to be more in the 2026 period where you're going to see AI applications take off. But definitely there is some. Right now it's too early to tell. But you will see some at the margins. You will see some slowdown, some rethinking as to how much we want to put in. Can we do more with less? I think that fact will take over at some point. But at this point, I think these things are flowing as is.